Ever wondered how to get IPTV smarters on your smart TV lightning fast starting today? Grab your remote and join me as I guide you through the easiest installation process ever. First, ensure your smart TV is connected to the internet, an essential step for seamless streaming. Next, head to the App Store on your TV, easily accessed from your home screen's main menu. In the App Store, enter IPTV Smarters into the search bar and hit search for instant results. Select the IPTV Smarters app from the search results and prepare for quick installation by hitting download. Verification may be needed, so make sure your TV's permissions are set correctly for continued installation. Once installed, launch the IPTV Smarters app directly from your TV's app library or home screen. Log in using your IPTV service credentials for access to a world of diverse streaming content. Not sure which IPTV service to choose? Let me introduce you to the best 2TV.store. With 2TV.store, get robust, reliable streaming options, ensuring quality entertainment at your fingertips. Take advantage of their competitive pricing plans and stellar customer service experience today. If you're ready to enhance your streaming journey, check the link in the description below. Remember, with 2TV.store and IPTV Smarters, entertainment becomes lightning fast and all-inclusive. Say goodbye to tech complications and hello to effortless streaming with this unbeatable duo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide for fellow smart TV users in search of simplicity.